Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing work permits and business visas. I want to clearly preface this by stating we are not talking about the newly promulgated long-term residence visas, so-called. As we've discussed in other videos, it's not technically a residence visa. It does not confer lawful permanent residence. It's kind of a misnomer. It's kind of just basically a long non-immigrant visa. Nor are we discussing the SMART visa, because in either case, work authorization is sort of built in to both of those visa categories, and they really haven't proven to apply to a large number of people over the course of the lifespan of the SMART visa. And from what we've seen thus far, with respect to the LTR visa, it's pretty narrow subset of folks that are even going to qualify to get that type of visa. What we're talking about here, though, is a standard work permit and a standard business visa. And the question is, are they sort of tied together? And in a sense, they are. You can get into kind of a catch-22 situation where in order to get your business visa, you got to have work authorization. In order to get that, you have to have a company and da-da-da. So it can be kind of a convoluted process, some would even argue maybe Byzantine, in trying to get your work permit and your visa sorted out. But for purposes of this video, what we're talking about is the work permit. Is it sort of tied to the B visa? In a sense it is, because you need the B visa to get the work permit, and then you need the work permit to get your B visa extended in Thailand. So in that sense, it's kind of tied together. In another very real sense, they're not the same document, and you may have to deal with extension of one at a different date and time than an extension of the other. Generally, those dates are not aligned. So again, it's going to depend on the circumstances in your given case, but for the most part, if work permits are tied to B visas, they're loosely tied to B visas.